So good morning children. I'm here to teach you the 4th standard second language English unit 2. In my previous lesson, I taught you a poem. You remember? The Rooks. Right. Written by J. Euphemia Brown. And you also learned how she was sitting by a stream of water and she wrote this poem, The Rooks. At the end of the lesson, we also sang the song for you. I hope you have learned the song. Now, along with Rohini ma'am, we together, you and we here, are going to sing the song together, children, so that we will recall what we have learned. Okay? Okay, children? We shall sing the song together. Okay? The rooks are buildings on the trees. They build there every spring. The rooks are buildings on the trees. They build there every spring. Cow, cow is all they say, for none of them can sing. Cow, cow is all they say, for none of them can sing. The rooks are buildings on the trees, they build there every spring. They've up before the break of day and up till late at night, for they must labor busily as long as it is light. They've up before the break of day and up till late at night, for they must labor busily as long as it is light. The rooks are buildings on the trees, they build there every spring. And many a crooked stick they bring, and many a slider twig, and many a tuft of moss until they're meshed around and big. And many a crooked stick they bring, and many a slider twig, and many a tuft of moss until they nest around and big. The rooks are buildings on the trees, they build there every spring. Caw, caw, oh what a noise they make in rainy weather. Good children always speak by turns, but rooks all talk together. Caw, caw, oh what a noise they make in rainy weather. Good children always speak by turns, but rooks are talk together. The rooks are buildings on the trees, they build there every spring. The rooks are buildings on the trees, they build there every spring. So children, did you sing the song along with us? Yes, I know you would have sang along with us. If you haven't, listen together once again and practice. Okay? So this was our previous lesson, The Rooks. Now you have memorized the poem and then you sung the poem, and now we will go to the exercises. What's in the exercise? Let's see. We will move on to page number 22. I've always told you, carry your English second language reader as well as a pen or a pencil along with you when you sit for your class. Keep that in mind, children. Remember, this is a mandatory or a must. So let's now move to page number 22. Page number 22, you have, in the beginning, you have new words. You have also learned this in your previous class. So I want you to take down your CW book or a ruled paper and write down the new words. Write the words along with the meanings very clearly and neatly. Make sure that you keep finger spacing and the size of the letter should not differ. Okay, children? Right. Do you want me to read it for you? I don't think so, because we have done it in our previous class. So let's move on to the next para, which says, speak and read aloud. What does here in the textbook they are trying to insist, or they are trying to tell you? They are trying to tell you that when you listen, you need to make a practice of speaking. Earlier you have heard about dialogues or conversing, two people talking. That is speaking. So whenever you do something, speak it aloud so that you will be able to hear and you will be able to understand whether you are saying it correctly or not. Did you get the children? So it says speak or read aloud. Let's go. Answer the following by saying yes or no. Then reply with a short answer. Now it means that below there are some questions that are asked. Now you need to answer by saying yes or no. Okay. When you say yes, it is one word answer. If you say no, again it's one word answer. Which means you can answer using one word or two or three words or a sentence. I'm going to explain to you what does that mean. Okay. So he says answer in a saying yes or no, then reply with a short answer. Means somebody needs to ask you a question and you need to reply back. Okay. You can do this by asking your family members to sit along with you, and somebody asks question, one can ask question and one can answer. Initially you start step by step. You first answer the same question using one word, then using two or three words, and then using a complete sentence. So before I can take you to the exercise, I'm going to explain to you what does a word means, what does a phrase means, and what does a sentence means. Let's look. Okay. A word means answering only with one word, children. For example, yes is a word. No is a word. Come is a word. Okay. You can answer using a word. Now a phrase. What does a phrase means? A phrase is a group of words. Okay. Means two or three words together. But it has some meaning but not complete meaning. You get some understanding. Let me take you to blue sky. Okay. Let's say blue sky. You understand something. Blue sky. Or let me take you another word. Say beautiful, beautiful flower. Okay, since we have learnt about flower. Now these are words. They have some meaning but not the whole meaning. Okay. So a phrase is a group of words. Or let me say come near here. Okay. Come near here. It's a meaning. These words is a phrase. Okay. Two or three words together makes a phrase. Now, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense or meaning. Okay. Now, a group of words that makes complete sense. Let me take this word, it's a blue sky. Let me give it to you in the full sentence. The sky is blue. Did you get the full sentence? Or this is a beautiful flower. Okay, children? Or you come near here to me. Okay, you see, phrases, just 2-3 words. It has some meaning but not complete meaning. But a sentence is a group of words put together that gives a complete meaning. So now we are going to read only this page. Let's see how to answer. First one, example. Yes, they can. No, they can't. You can answer. Next say in a sentence, one has done for you. One has been done for you. Can the rooks build their nest? By one word we are saying yes. In a phrase we can say yes, they can. Now by a sentence we are going to say yes, they can build their nest. So look children, we have answered in a word, then we have answered in a phrase, and then the same question we have answered even in a sentence. I'll do the next one. Do the rooks sing? One word, yes. Oh, sorry, it's no. Then the answer, the second one, phrase, no, they can't. Third one, no, they cannot. The rooks cannot sing. Third one, are they up in the morning? You try doing it. Come to page number 23. Are they busy all the day? Are their nests made of paper? Do they talk alone? Answer the same questions, children. Take a paper and first you answer in a word, then you answer in a phrase, and then you answer in a sentence using yes they can, no they can't. If they can, say yes they can, or yes or no, or in a full sentence, no they can't. Okay? Write well. Children, once you are able to read, you must be able to write. Read and take a look at the pictures, then fill in the blanks. The rooks build their dash on the dash. Now the clues are the pictures. I want you to look at the clues and fill in the blanks. They are up before the dash. Look at the picture clearly. They build their nest with the dash, a slender twig and a tuft of moss. Their nest look dash and big. They all talk dash. Okay. Now you have something to help you, which means the pictures are the clues. You can use the pictures. Second main, complete the following passage by choosing appropriate words from the brackets. Now here are the brackets. In the brackets you have to choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. The rooks are black crow-like birds. They build their nest whether it's winter or spring. Which is the correct answer? First you underline. Let me underline one for you so that you will get an understanding, and write spring here, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. They are up dash before or after the break of day. They bring many dash crooked or straight sticks, slender twigs and tuft of moss to build their nest, round and dash, small or big. They crow, caw, caw, meow, meow. In the rainy weather, all the rooks talk together and they don't wait for others to speak, unlike you good children. Once you finish answering this in your textbook itself, please make sure that you write your name on every page and send it to me on the assignment group. Thank you, children. I will meet you in the next class. Bye-bye.